So we start off today's video with a major haircut transformation. Looks like she's going to be getting a shoulder length bob. Absolutely beautiful. Love how effortless and chic this is. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some haircut, hair color, and just overall hair transformations. So if you've been feeling like you're in a hair rut and you're looking for something to do with your strands, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we have a classic all black bob. This one ends just around the jawline and features a center part down the middle. And then we move into another major hair transformation. So the stylist cuts the hair into more of like a mini bob. Beautiful platinum hair coloring. Absolutely stunning. So now that I see the back, he did end up doing a pixie bob for this haircut. Another very hot hair trend that we are seeing this season. Beautifully done. So then we have another color transformation. And bam, beautiful baby pink and hot pink for the color combination in the form of a money piece highlight look. And then we have someone going into the world of red. Oh, okay, so she's showing us several different hot hair ideas. I love it. And then we see this beautiful dark red copper pixie bob with curly hair. This is absolutely stunning. I love the cut and I love the color. Next up, we see someone with shoulder length hair. The stylist has the scissors, chops the hair into this gorgeous tousled bob. So then we move on to someone with pretty long hair. Stylist looks like he might be doing another bob for this one. Maybe a shoulder length bob. And then we have a hair color change. Looks like she's getting some type of highlights. Oh wow, those are so soft and subtle. Very nice. Sometimes all you need to enhance your look is some subtle highlights or lowlights, or you can simply add in some bangs. So here we have someone with shoulder length hair. The stylist gets to chopping away. Going in with the clippers. And wow, look at this gorgeous asymmetrical pixie. This is absolutely beautiful. Longer bangs in the front and much shorter in the back. So sleek and stylish. Then we move on to another big chop. Looks like she's also getting a pixie for this one. I love her blonde hair coloring too, very pretty. Gorgeous, such a stunning pixie style. And beautiful dimensional blonde coloring. So we move on to our last transformation of the day. She decided to switch it up with this spiky pixie style. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of the hairstyle ideas spotted within today's video and you were able to find some major hair inspiration. If you were, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next one.